Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome to this additional with extra Sudokus on today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 22nd. In this additional, we have a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic number 1, and a tectonic number 2, and a binary. Total of 7 Sudokus. I won't do them all. I've told you earlier I will do 4 of them. 2 Sudokus, 1 with 3 stars, 1 with 4 stars, and I will do one binary and 1 tectonic. Alright, so let's get started. And the first one is a Sudoku with 3 stars. And this one will be a number 1786. Yes, this one is 1786. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I have not counted the printed digits. We have here 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 5 is 18, plus 2 is 20, this is 4, plus 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25, is equal to 25, yes, correct. I need to count them just in case, but for the 3 stars it's always 25. Last time the 4 stars has also 25, so you need to check them. Maybe they made a mistake. The publisher has made a mistake. It's not so often, but alright, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. It's not always true that the less printed numbers is much more difficult than other Sudokus. It also depends on the pairs. If you have a lot of pairs, strange combination, then the difficulty level will be higher. Alright, so let's get started with this one. Let me see which number I can use. How about the 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row B3 in the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Those 2 boxes are left for the numbers 1 and 9. Let me mark them for you. 1 and a 9. It's a pair, alright. And now, how about in this row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7s in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there are 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 6 in the third row, the 6 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only two places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6, there's 6. Should be there. In this row, now we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, here, or there. We see here 6, we see there 6, so no 6s in these two boxes. One box left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the middle row, the only two places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only two places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, the last row. So the row between, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the middle column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so in the middle row, the only two places, 3 places for the 7 should be here, here or there. We see here 7, we see there 7, so no 7s in these two boxes. One box left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, alright. And now, let me see. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. One box left for the 9. Should be there. And then in this big square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. One of these two boxes is a 9, so no 9 in those two boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. Let me mark them with a dot. So one of these two boxes could be a 9 in this column. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row. For the numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3, we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column. So no 1 in this box. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here or there. We see here 3, we see there 3, so no 3s in these two boxes. So one box left for the 3 should be there. And I've used one of those dots. And I remember one of the dots is a 9. So now what we have a 1 dot left. This should be the 9. And now I can continue with the 9. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9. And this should be a 1. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 3. And now these 2 boxes are left for this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark them. 2 and 3. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, a 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. And then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 2 and the 8. No 8. We have 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column. We have a 2 and a 3, so 1 missing number here should be the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 5 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them because it's a pair. It's a pair. Alright. How about Yeah. 4, 5, 2. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. Yes. And now 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5 are missing. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And now, let me see. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. How about 6, 7. Can I do with the 5? No, 4, 5, 4, 5. 3 also. Yes. Complicated. How about the 1? So, alright, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So in this row, one of these two boxes is an 8. In the third row, we have an 8 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 4. And now, 2 missing numbers in the last column. The 4 and the 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 5. One number left in the second row for the number 5. One number left in the first column for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, no 1 goes there. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 3. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright, I'm very pleased. You think so? Of course. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a half minute with the second one, a 4 stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.